Downloading data from Slack can be useful for backup or analysis purposes. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Access Slack settings. Log into your Slack workspace and click on your workspace name in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Administration, then click on Workspace Settings. Step 2. Navigate to the Data Exports section. In the Workspace Settings, look for the Data Exports tab. This section allows you to manage and initiate the data export process. Step 3. Choose the export type. Select the type of data you want to download. You can choose to export messages, files, or both. Be aware that the availability of certain export options may depend on your Slack plan. Step 4. Request the export. Once you have selected the data type, click on the Request Export button. You may need to confirm your request, and it could take some time for Slack to prepare your data. Step 5. Download the data. After your export is ready, you will receive a notification or an email with a link to download the data. Click the link and save the file to your device. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from Slack for your personal or organizational needs.